Okay, today we will learn how to make a mailer, right? So, mailer, what is mailer? Mailer is automated a mail which is sent to a bulk of email IDs in the form of picture file or in the form of HTML file. Okay, so they both have a same methodology, but difference is that when we send a mailer using picture file, you can change email type, email structure, email appearance as per your requirement. But when you use the HTML code to generate a mailer, you cannot. It will be hectic to generate a mailer because every time when you send to the person you need to change the HTML codes, right? So I'm this is the one of time this is the first one. uh, we are using a JPG file to send as a mailer, right? It is very simple. No no bulky codes required. You can use Canva like this one to create a mailer. You can create a picture file. Okay, I am using this Renault car, right? So you can add anything. If you have this photograph, you can add it or you can create new also. So there is no problem in that. You just need to sign in with you have to create a login with a create a design, right? When you click on this create a design, before that you have need to sign in as per your email ID, right? Then when you sign in, you can create a design. It is a some template of in this Canva. It is a free out of, right, or sometime it is a paid. Some template is a paid. So I have created a one mailer. Look at this. It is a very simple. I'm trying to create a mailer over here. So you can use it like this one. So first of all, I just want to tell you how to create a mailer so that we can before that I will show you how it's work, right? You need email IDs over here. You can write a lot of email IDs here. Okay, but before you have to remember that if you have a commercial G Suite, you can send 500 emails per day. But if you don't have, it is you have a local like regular email IDs, right? Personal email ID. So you can send up to 100 emails per day. Okay. Beyond that, Google will disable your account. If you cross this limit, Google automatically disabled your account for 5 times. If you repeat more than 5 times, it will be permanently disabled. So remember this, and you can write a lot of email IDs here. Anything simply. So I have created a one mailer. Just click on this, click on shoot. It will generate a pop-up model, and when you click on this button, it will send an email to a recipient. It is very simple, right? I have created this mailer so that I have published my name. When you go and check the sent items, you will check the mailer has been sent. This is the mailer which is sent to recipient ID. This is very simple. This is the JPG file. Okay, this is the picture file, right? And apart of that, in this mailer, this is the text structure which we will add up in this mail via Google Sheet, and this photographs it will come from Google Drive, but this photograph has been created to using Canva, right? And apart of then again, this is the text, and this type of mailer, in this type of mailer you can change this text any point of time, and you can change photograph any point of time, and you can change the detail in the footer any point at any point of time. So it is a fully dynamic, right? Obviously you don't have an offer same offer for this for the all 12 months. You have to change according to your requirement, right? So this must be changed, this must be changed, this must be changed. So this must be a dynamic, right? So it can be easily changed, right? This is the Facebook pages link. When you click on this page, it will refer to Facebook, right? So this is JPG file. Whatever file you will use, just save in the Google Drive. It will automatically fetch in this mail and send to the recipient. Okay. Second type of mail. The second type of mail is using HTML code, right? This is the this code will send the JPG file, and this will code as a HTML code. So I will show you how it's work, how it is showing. So I am using send email, this one. Okay, now I will use this HTML code, right, to send this one. So when I go and do get function on this and run it, the mail has been sent to this ID. Look at this. Uh, Now look at this. This is my first mail, which was sent as using a dynamic JPG file, and second mail, this one, has been sent using HTML code. The difference is that it is a clickable. It is a clickable. The photograph is clickable. You can click on this and go through the website, as well as you can share the offer over here. Okay, you can click on any place in the photograph. So it is HTML generated email, and this is for image generated. So I will tell you first is for image generated. Okay, so let me start with the scrap. Let me start from the scratch, and then I will tell you how to generate a mailer over in Canva. It is a because I am using my own photographs, so Canva is it is absolutely free, but Canva is not a free. It is chargeable. Some sort of function here is chargeable, right? So let me start. This is the file. So first of all, we need a Google Sheet. This one. Second, I need a standalone script file. Third is we will use the coding in this extension script. The three things we need. Okay. So let me start now. Come to my place. First of all, I need to create a folder over here. So new folder. Name it as a emailer. Press enter. No issue. Just click on this. Create a new. Go to a standalone file. create a script. Okay, got it. This is our master script. Master. Any name you can give. Master script file. Okay, the main coding will be here. Apart of that, secondly, we need it Google file, Google Sheet. So create a Google Sheet. We'll name it as a controller. Okay, we will create a two sheet in this. One for data, data, and second one is for control. Okay, data sheet it is used for putting an email ID, and controller is used for making it dynamic. Right? See these things. The all the text, dear customer, and all this discount offers and mobile numbers and everything will be used here from the controller. Right? Apart of that, this photograph is also linked with this controller, but the email IDs, this email ID, it will come from this data sheet. Okay, so let's start with scratch. First of all, I need to we will remove it. No issue. I will put this code in the description box also, so you can download and create the same file in your Google Drive and start using it. No issue. There is 30% remaining batteries. Battery is going down day with time. I'm just okay. Let's start with scratch. So first of all, we need to get this right, and apart of that, we need a photograph file also so that it can go directly through that place. So go to jpg file, and this is, I think this is the file we are sending it. Okay, take it, no issue. Or you can use the same photograph, no issue. Maybe this one. Yes, this one. So let's download it. Right click on this file and download it. This is another user account. I'm putting that file here is file upload, and go to download. This is winter. This is winter time, so I'm using it, right? So okay, let's see. Now I got the file in the Google Drive. I have a master script, open it, and controller, this one. That's all. We need all this thing. That's all to send. But remember the limit of, again I'm telling you, remember the limit of per day emails. This is for personal use it is 100, and for the official use it is for 1500 per day. Beyond this limit, Google will automatically disable your account for 5 times. After that, it is permanently disabled. Okay. So first of all, we will start from the scratch. So this is my master file. I'm using the same code. I'm not writing every time. So I'm just fetching the code first of all, right? So next, so I will putting it a variable. So I'm just access URL. There is. First of all, I'm creating a spreadsheet. I'm getting this spreadsheet. I'm linking this spreadsheet with this master sheet. First of all, I need to link this Google Sheet with this master standalone sheet. So we will get so 1 minute. I'm just paste a URL of this. Not every time. Okay. See. Now I got the SS means spreadsheet. So I will just spreadsheet, then get spreadsheet again. Open spreadsheet using URL. So first of all, I use SS URL, right? I got the spreadsheet. Now I got the controller sheet, controller sh, or you can write sh underscore controller, whatever you want. Variable is a dynamic. Okay. Now I'm using ss dot get sheet by name, right? So a part of that I will create a two variable, one for name underscore controller is controller. What is the name of this sheet? Controller sheet is controller. So right double click on this and copy and paste it here. Next variable name underscore data. What is the name of data sheet is capital DATA. So capital data. Okay. So I will put this variable here. Name data. Sorry, controller. No? Control and space will give you the auto pop-up list. Now I got the see I am directly using variable, not in function. So it is a global variable. When this script run auto, this function automatic. When this file is open, it is automatically get this variables. Okay, there is no need to run any function to get all the data because it is a global variable. Now I got the variable of sh data sh dot get sheet by name is name. I have linked this Google Sheet with this script, right? It's a master script. So let's start this. Now I copy and paste the format of URL. So first of all, I will go to controller and copying it, paste it, right? So here we will get the image URL. I will put image ID here. I will put link script here, URL here. I will put the mail subject here, and I will put the HTML text here. See, this is the image URL. Okay, this is the subject. It is also automatic. It is also dynamic. You can change it any short of time, right? If you change this one, it will change the mail body. Now the sorry mail subject. The mail body is this one. Any short of time you can change it, and it will automatically change this one till this level. And image. If you change the image ID, this one. Obviously, you cannot use the same ID. If I use this email ID, it will send. It will. I will use the ID for this image. It will send this image as a mail body picture, right? So let's start now. We will first of all I will use it. So image ID. I will get the image ID first. So how to get the image ID? The first topic is how to get image ID. How to get image ID. First topic is how to link Google spreadsheet with standalone script. Right? This is very important. I have covered this one first number. It is completed. Now I will get the image ID. So I have you remember that I have done uploaded uh, this image. So just right click on this image, go to share, and click on share. Right? It is a restricted. Nobody can see. If the only person who can see is having the link. So I will change it to anyone with the link. It is a viewer. You can keep it as a viewer, or you can keep it as an editor. No issue. Or you can keep it as a commenter also. It will now. When you done this, now copy this link and done. Okay. The copy link, just paste it here. From this portion to this field, then up to this field. Okay. This is a common thing. This is a common thing. From this portion to this portion, it is also common. The changeable part is this one. So this is your spreadsheet. Sorry, it is your for image ID, right? We need this. Close it. Paste it here. Okay. I got the image ID. Now I will get. I need to create. See, it is remember. This is the you. Sorry. When you click on this, go to share, copy link. This is a different type of. We cannot use this URL. Okay, this URL cannot be linked with mail body, so we have to a special type of URL. We will use it. So this is the URL we will use it. It has this one. So I will tell you. So first of all, it is HTTPS. Then we're gonna double forward, right? It is a doc. UCS docs.google google.com. Okay, then UC question mark ID. Here we will put the ID. Okay, paste. I will use the. We cannot use the. I will do not use the entire URL. This is our ID. Just copy and paste it here. Okay, then ampersand. This is an ampersand sign. Ampersand export equals to download. Export equals to download. So this is my entire URL. We can zoom a little bit. This is my entire. Okay, we don't need a further portion. That's all. Okay, but I want to make it this as a dynamic, so I'm just putting here as a equals to. First of all, I will use. So you can reduce this one, or you can create this one. No issue. You can put another double comma double and put a and over here, and one more and is here, and everything will be in double quote. The only thing we need to change every time for this. So I will link this with this one. Press F4. If you press F4, sometime it is an Fn key, then press Fn key, then press F4. First you need to press Fn key, then press F4. And in the some computer where you have deactivated the Fn key, you just press the right letter F4. Now this is my another type of URL. Press enter. Right. Okay. Now you can use the Control U. Just hold on. Okay, now it is a test mailer, then alt enter, then regards mailer team. That's all. It is coming down, so just go and take it up. So when you click on this one, it is a I2. It is linked with I2. Okay, so now we got this. You can go and show, remove this grid line also, and little will you just go and take it here, right? So this is email ID and this is the mail subject. Okay, mail subject. Okay, this is my mail. This is my mail subject. This is the mail body. This is mail subject. Here we will put a script URL. This is the image ID and this is my image downloadable URL. Okay, now it is auto save, so don't need to press Ctrl S. Now I will ask this data. First Google Drive, then image, then this and this and this. Okay, so let me start step by step. First of all, I will get the data from this one. So go and check what is the subject, what is the HTML tag, what is the email IDs and what, and so on, right? So first of all, I will go. I will put an email ID over here. So I will go to controller, put data, and copy and paste it here. This one. And you can put new number of email IDs over here. If you want to increase more rows, just go scroll down your mouse and put around one more zero here or two more here. The maximum rows we can use it is 5 lakhs. It is a maximum of 5 lakhs. 5 lakh rows we can use it. Okay, if you want you can use more than this. You can remove some columns also. Google Sheet is have an option to remove the columns also. So you just select, press Control and space, Control and space. It will select and Control and minus. Okay, so just nothing, just go and delete columns. So all the columns will be removed. The two columns will be here, but this facility is not available in the Excel. Okay, 5 lakh cells we can use it. 5 lakh cells we can use it. So we can increase the rows by decrease the columns. Now email ID we got the controller, we got the all detail here. Now I will fetch all the data. Now variable mail underscore subject, right? The mail subject is available in the SS sheet. Press get this sheet, get range, because I am getting this range. Range is G2. So make it coffee G2. Now I got this G2. Now I need to get the value. Get value. Okay. Now final we got the value. Variable uh, mail body as image. No, mail body. That's all. So sh underscore control dot get range. Then this is available at I2. How to check? Just click on this. This is I2. I2. Now get value. Okay, now it is recording or not? Yes, recording. Okay, it's recording. Okay, just press Ctrl S. Google script you need to save. It is not an automatic set. Saved. It will not got automatically saved. Mail body we will get. Next I need is image URL. Variable mail image. So as such same get range. It is at control page up. Control page up you can use to go to another tab. Control page up, page down, control page up, page down. So it is a A2. Then page down, control page down. So it's a A2. Then get value. Save. We got all the things. We got image, subject, and mail body. Now uh, these are the text format, right? But this is not a text format. It is in a file. This is a file which is need to be attached on the mail body. We need to be attached on a mail body. This one, this one. This is an inline image. When you create a when you compose a mail and go to this one, you just click on this and you can this insert a photograph, right? So you can just go and upload a photograph. Look at this, right? So first of all, check. Okay, I've just deleted. So okay, this one, upload a photograph. So it will be attached as an email inline image, right? So we need an entire file. Okay, so let's start. So we will need, and it will not attach as a file, it will attach as a blob. So we have to create as a, we will need to create as a blob first, right? Now go to this one and come to this one. You can small it, you can leave it. So I will use another function to get the blob image, blob image blob blob. So I will use a special function is URL fetch, and then go to fetch. I will get the image mail image, right? URL. Use this. What is URL? So mail image URL, right? Then I will get the get blob. That's it. Save it. I got the blob. Okay. If you want to set a name of this blob, also you can say so. Set name of this blob is Renault underscore offers. Now I got the URL, right? Now I need to send it as a mail body. Obviously we need to send it as a mail body, so I have to write a function over here. So first function send underscore mail as image body, right? The function I'm using it, this one. It is a very simple function, no need to worry about on this, right? First of all I have to get mail, send mail, sorry, send sorry, Gmail app, right? Then send this one, send email, control space send email, this one. And I'm there is a function, there is this one. I'm using this. I will send the recipient email ID over here. This is the subject and this is the mail body. Okay, this is the mail body, right? This is the recipient as a string, then comma, subject as a string, text format, then comma, body as a string, right? Remember, and then option. It has an option. If you want, it is text format, but if you want to send an HTML or a inline image, you can use these options. Okay, you cannot use body. So I'm just copying it for your referencing purpose. Double quote it, paste it here. Press Control and forward slash. It is a text format. It will not use a function. So I will use a recipient. So I need to have a recipient first. Obviously, we do need a recipient first. So um, how to get the recipient? See, we have created a. We do not get the recipients list. Recipient means email IDs. See, we do have a lot of email IDs over here. So we have to check all the email IDs. So first of all, I need to get the email IDs as an array. So it is in a data form. It is in a sh data. So I will use sh underscore data dot get range from this. I don't need this word. I started from this. Though I will start from A to A. I'm not putting any word over here. That means any range of rows. Okay. So get values. This time I will not use value. I will use values. Okay. Now I got this one. Get values. This is an email. This is a see. Just press the Alt and just arrow down. Okay. So this one. Just run this function and you will check the logger.log this email array. Just click on this run button and we'll get all the array. It will ask for the permissions. You have to give the permissions. Okay, let's give these permissions. It is asking for code. Wait a minute. Every time it is asking for the code. Oh my god. More ways for verification is there. No, I don't want this. Just I'm pausing it for future references. Alt. So I got this login now. Go to the script file and save. Add advance. Go to this function and press allow. Now I got this email as an array of array. It is in a one column. It is a one row. Another column. There's another column. A lot of columns. So I don't want it. I want it is a two-dimensional array. I want a single dimensional array. So I need to convert it into single dimensional array by this function. So just put it here. Just put the value p. Now it is will return b square bracket 0. Now run again. Control R. it will give me a single dimensional array. This function will give me a this additional function will give me a single dimensional array. Look at this, right? And 0 means first column. I'm using it first column, right? But I don't want this blank rows also, right? So I will remove this using filter function. Filter, okay. Then again, uh, this one. I will use this time E for event. Now return return function E to blank. Let's press this again. Control R. It gives me as line number 17. It is an error. Okay, I used the wrong thing. It will not here. This one. Press Control R again. Now we got only these email IDs. So it will give me an entire list of email IDs. Then function will remove the remaining rows which is blank, and sorry, this will go in a single dimensional array, and this will function will give me the range of only for the email IDs and remove the blank rows. Okay, now I got this. I will just press Alt and arrow up. Whether it is again or get this logger log. Let's check this. Yes, we got this because it is a global variable. It is a global variable, so it will run. Now I will send emails to. This is the press control / again that will activate it. Now I will got the email IDs. First of all, I will check the loop because it is a loop. So let's start now. Loop. So email array dot for each. When the variable is array, it will when you press the dot, it will automatically show the function all related to the array. So for each, I will use the for each function. Let's start this for each. This one cross this. This is now I come to this point, and this is a v. I will just put it v. Then run this function again. Save. Press. Now this will give me a list of email IDs one by one. Right, one by one. Okay, this is give me the list of email IDs one by one, and that is what we need. Why? Because I have to pass this in this function send email this in this function because there is a recipient, right? So I'm using it as a v. There's a recipient. Then I need a subject. I will use the subject as a mail subject. Mail subject. Now mail body. I will use a mail body as a text. So mail body. So it is a 5 times. So I'm just removing it. So 2 times it will share. When I will select the function and press the run. It will send this one, right? Let's check the email ID emails. Go to this one and come to this place. So this is test mail. So this is the mail. See, dear customer, it is a test mail and regards and right now. Another mail is this one, right? These are the mails. Yeah, we will not use it. So this is the my function. Now I have used in a controller. See, we have an image also. So how to attach image in this function? See, it is in a string function. I am using this is a string because it is a string. But when I use this is as a HTML, we need these options, right? So we don't use this. Okay, so let's start with this function. HTML body. So we have to write this HTML body. It is a variable. Then pass this as a mail body. Another function I need to mention here, but I want to first of all, this all things has to be come in this curly bracket first of all. This and we will put is a 2 and we will put is a subject, this one. Then I will, oh, you can use the recipient also, no issue. You can use the recipient here, subject HTML body. Now HTML body. Now I will use the special function is inline image, comma, inline image. But inline image is also have an object, so I will create the curly bracket also here. I will put a variable, any variable you want, any variable you want you can put. You can use offer, offers image, then put the blob, this one image blob over here. Put this image here. Okay, now run this function again. What is the, what if any error we will get? Exception parameter string did not match the method of the Google send string anonymous Google send. Okay, so we cannot use the recipient. We have to use v. Same error. Check whether any email counts. No, nothing. Subject mail body HTML. So what is the difference? We have something is different in this. Okay, I'm using the Gmail app. In place of this email app, I have to use mail app. This function. Run it. Give the permissions. Go to Allen, advanced. Go to unsafe. Go allow. Now we do not have error. See, there is two functions. One is for Gmail app. Okay, another is mail app. For bulk mailer, the both can be used, but in a different way. I've been using mail app now, so just check this function. This is the first mail. which is gone. Dear customer, it is the test mailer regarding mail team in a single straight line, and the image is as a attachment. We got the email as a attachment, but I don't want attachment. I have to create as an inline function image. I don't want to send it as a attachment, so remove it. Go to this place, right? But see, I have used the inline image function over here. The same thing has been used here, but still it is not sending it as a inline. What is the difference? The difference is that if you want to send an inline function, you have to use this variable. Which variable? This variable. This variable in this mail body, in between this mail body. Okay, in between this mail body. Okay, then how will you use inline function? So just it is very simple. You just go here and create image img tag w3 school. Go to w3 school, no issue. It is a fantastic platform where you can learn a lot of things, right? So obviously inline image controller, you have to give line cid, sorry, cid function. So if there is a cid is not there, cid is not there, cid not there, cid nothing using as a cid. 34 for minimum to full, so it is a full. Just 71% revenue. I am using as a master this with CID. Either I will show the result for CID. Let's check this. Absolute URL and relative URL. Alt image SSRC essence. Let's copy this first. Okay, you have to put this here. Now you think you will say, what is this? You have put the HTML code in between the text format. Yes, we can. Because why? Because I am using these options, and I'm using I'm not using this mail body. I'm using this both is used for mail body. This is for a string function, and this is for HTML body. So I'm using this HTML body. Look at this. I'm using as a HTML. So whatever be the written here, it will treat as a HTML. Okay. So that is why I can use this. I can use this one. So image image SRC. Obviously, we can use the image SRC here. So before that, before I'm using SRC with CID. So SRC with CID. There is not showing anything. How to embed image in your email CID function? Yeah, this one. Let's go. You can see source. Okay, leave it. So no issue. I will not use this is alternate text. If there is a slow net and image cannot be shown, this text will show not offers. Width or height you can set if you don't, but this is the image but this URL has to be linked with this image right here, but we cannot link this with this one because it is a text format. So what will you do? I will do CID function. CID function. I will use the CID function. Okay, it is very simple. First of all, you don't need to put a double stop, the single quote. Then press CID, then double colon. Now, what is the variable? The variable which is passed on this one. This is the variable, no? And this is the blob. So we will pass this variable over here. Now look. Now just click on the run button and now check emails. It will send as a inline function. Look at this, right? So dear customer, it is text mailer, then mail body, and then regard. It is a single row. It's a single row, right? It is coming in a single row. So I don't want. First of all, I need. So I will use the BR tag. HTML in HTML, if you write this BR, it will means you have putting in one row, another one more row. Just put one more thing. Copy BR, put it here. BR, then put it here. I don't want this symbol. I want this one symbol. So now I will run this function again. Now look at this. This is a single row. No? I want now I don't want to send to all email IDs. Just leave it. Run it. It will send an email to this function. Now look at this. It is a heading. Then this is the row BR. Then this is the text. Then BR. And this is the size of the image. Because I have put image size here, right? You can also increase this one image size. If I just remove it, if I remove this, it is in pixel. This size is in pixel. I'm just removing it. That it will give me an original photograph as a text email. Regards, and then single row, then email ID. So this is our mailer. At any point of time, I can change this image. So now click again, run again this function. Just select function. Yeah, already selected. Then run this, and look at this. Now this is a full image, right? This is the full image. Now, what if you want to change this text? You don't need to go in the code and change over there. You just go in the textbook and change the here is run out offers, right? If you want to change anything you want, just go and merge it. Just go and take it. Yeah, level. Okay. If you want to add any text, you can text. You can change over here. If you want to change, you can change. Discussion. This bumper offer brings to you lots of discounts on new vehicles as well as on service of your vehicle, right? If you just put this in a like this way, okay, now you can change it here. So you can say Renault tube. Now look at this, right? I just change this, no? And a part of that, I want to change the image also. I don't want to send this image. I want to send the different image. So it is very simple. It is absolutely simple. Just, uh, just, just go to Google Drive and upload the new image. Upload the new image. Okay. Even you don't want to rename it. Even you don't want to rename it as it is. Just right click on this image and get the share link. Just go to share and go to everyone. Viewer is also no issue. Copy link and done it. Just go over here. Just what I want. I want this thing. I want this right in between this. Just cut it. Leave it. Just paste it over here. Now this will go. This will go as a image. So it's very simple. Just check this. It will very simple. Look at this. It will change. You can change the text at any short of time. You can change the image any short of time. Right? Right? You can change even the footer also. So this kind of mailer, it is very absolutely helpful, but it is not a clickable. The image is not clickable. You can, of course, you can scan it, but it's not a clickable. So what you need to, if you want to send the Facebook pages over here, so how will you attach in this mailer, right? So it is a very simple, no issue. You can obviously you know here I can write a HTML code along with the mail body or text string, right? So where is the problem? I just put the a tag here. So just go and use a tag in W3 scroll. Go to HTML a tag. This is the a tag. Just copy it and where you want to put this Facebook page link here. I just want to page you can connect with Facebook. So I will write br tag. This is one row. Alt plus enter. Here you can connect with us on Facebook pages, right? Then alt plus enter. Put a br tag over here. Then alt plus enter and just put the image. The Facebook page, you can link the Facebook page over here and you just write a Facebook link over here. So you can write anything. Mm, Facebook Ajmer. That's okay. No issue. Now you can put the Facebook image link URL over here. So my Facebook URL is uh, I have I have the Facebook URLs. So mm, where I got the Facebook. Yeah, this one. Right. Now I got this Facebook URL. Look at this. This is my Facebook URL. It is for Alvar, so I will change it. So just copy it, cut it, right, and paste in href. Like, over here. Now it is for Alvar, so I just change it to Alvar. Alvar. Now look at this. Just send it. Check it how it's appear, how it looks like. Go. This is the old one, and another is this is the new one. Look at this. The Facebook showing as a uh, look at this. This bumper offer brings to you a lot of discount offer to a new vehicle as well as the service of your vehicle. Here you can connect with us on Facebook page, and here is an URL. And if you click on this URL, it will go to the Facebook page, right? If you have a user ID and password, you can explore it. So first of all, I will just change it. It is very easy, right? Or you can just want to change more BR tag over here. So like this one. Now I want to show this A tag as a button, right? I want to show the CSS. So show A tag as button, right? Inline, in inline style, inline style, button display inline CSS HTML. So you will have to visit this. Okay, look at this. Answer is this one. Display inline. This is our code which is used for showing it as a button. A tag will show as a button. Look at this, right? Okay. So I have already this type of things. So I'm just exploring it. So this is my style. Okay, leave it. I will show you how to use it. So first of all, you need to over here. Then put the word is style. Then comes to style equals to right. Style is equals to and this one. I will put the CSS code over here. I will put the CSS code in this line. So my first CSS code is font family, right? Class 1, class 2. So just put it like this and then semicolon. And again, second I need font size. Put it here. Then you need is padding. Look at this. Then put this background. Then put color. This one. Then put display inline. Then put border 0. Now run it. It will show you. Okay. This is show as a button. It is, but I have used the white color. Background is a white color. I don't want white color. Mm, Either you want to change any background in a red or in blue. I like blue, so I just write it here is a blue. Just put it blue. BLU. Nothing. Simple. Look at this. Facebook is, but this is not set it perfectly, so I use it. Look at this. So you have to write this style, this one, so this style function, and paste it here. Okay. So this is my tag. This is a style tag, and a tag is closed over here. And again, this is right. Go and run this time. That will give you perfect. No, not perfect. So I will just use it entire. I have to choose alt plus enter here. Oh, shit. This is href. And on this is our code, and here we go. So this is the CSS. This is the CSS type which is used to show it as a this is as a button. Now run it again. Now this is coming as a perfect, but this is again where it come. Oh shit! I have forget to remove this function. Okay, one more time. Run. Check. Now this is coming as a perfectly as a button, right? It's showing as a button, perfect button. So any point of time you can change this one, or you can add more a tag, more button over here. So if you want, you can just copy it and paste it below, right? And you can add a more a Facebook link over here. So this is my another Facebook page. So go it here, change it. Role will be row button, and this will be for Ajmer. So let's change it Ajmer. Okay, I have to little bit down it, and look at this function, right? This is the one button. It will create a one button, and this is another button. So just click on this, run it, check it. So two buttons with the image, perfect image. But now question is, do you come on this script page every time and click on this run button to send a mailer? Is this true? No, you don't want to send this like this way, right? Obviously you don't want to send it in this way. So what you will do, you have to link the script to it and create a button over here. Either you can create a button in this body, or you can create a menu over here, right? So that when you click on this menu, this script will run and send the email ID. Or you can click on this button, will run this script and send the email IDs to particular recipients, right? So how will you do? So question is, how will you do? So first of all, this is you have to create an URL for this script. So this, like this URL, you have to create the URL for this script, entire script, right? And this URL will link with this like a like a hyperlink in this body, right? So for that you have to use the special function for do get function. This is a special function which will run, it will create a URL and return mails mailer sent successfully. Okay, now you got the debug function. Now you got the debug function. It will, when you put a URL in the browser, it will run this function HTML and the mail will be sent. So you have to deploy is as a web app. Go to deploy, click on this new button, click on this star button, go to web app, right? This is the first version. So first week you have to execute as a me, or you can execute as a user. What does it mean? It means if I'm using execute as a me, all the mail all the mails will go from my ID, obviously. And if I use this function, so all the mails will go on from that particular email ID, the person who are using that script. Okay, see, I use the user as a script. Okay, who has access? Anyone has the access, right? And deploy. I got this URL. Okay, copy this URL. Just copy this URL. Okay, now I want a button over here. So just go to the image and insert an image from cell or whatever we want. Just go to drawing. Okay, you can use an image, little image. You can change the size of the image, no issue. You can change the size of image. You can this. Okay, this is my button. Okay, and now is crop and whatever the things. I don't want anything. Just close and save it. The image will come up over here. Now just right click on this image and go to this three dots and assign a script and paste it the URL that we have copied from the deployment, and click OK. Okay, now see, remember I'm using this email ID, right? But what if I'm using the different email IDs? Might be I'm using this one. Just paste it here, and it will ask for the permissions first. So I will ask for the permission. Give permissions. Check send request. This is a different email ID. Okay, the mail will directly go to the on this email ID. And it will ask that somebody is asking for permission, right? You can give this as an editor. Select editor or whatever you want. Just select viewer, commenter, and editor. Okay, so you can use the commenter also. Share. Okay, now come to this URL and refresh this. It will open. It will open now. Obviously, it will open. Now the image will come when the page is loaded fully. Now I was click on this button. There was a problem with this script. Okay, could not be found. This Script function HTTP access could not be found. Okay. Okay. Because I have given the permission as a manage sharing again. Commenter. So I cannot reuse. We have to give the permission as a editor. Look at this. Go and share on this. Don't give user and permission. You don't need to go for access. Click on this. Now click on this. Refresh. There was a problem. Okay, no problem. Yes, we have. First of all, you just paste it here. It will asking for the permissions here. See, so first of all, you need to give the permissions first. Okay, review permissions. Why it is asking for permission? Because when I deploy it, I had deployed it as a user accessing the images. Right? Look at this. Click. User accessing the web app. Anyone with the Google account. So it will asking you for the permissions. Now this time it will send an email from this email ID. Allow. The script completed but it did not written anything. But the mail has been sent or not? Look at this. Check email ID. Let me check the emails whether it is sent or not. Send item. Mail has been sent. Look at this. This time the mail has been sent from this email ID because I had choose this user accessing the email. Right? What if I have used user accessing this mail? Deploy it again. Deploy it again. Copy. You can obviously right click assign script. Okay. So this is not working properly. So I have to create a menu over here. But before that I have to check. You do not have access to library of this. Used by script or it has been created, deleted. Okay. What is this? Configuration. Click on configuration. Anyone. Deploy it. Copy. Come to this place. Run it. Did not do anything, but mail has been sent. Mail has been sent, but it is not using this time this email ID. You have to come on this email ID and check the mail has been sent or not. Yes, you have sent this email from that particular email ID. Look at this again. I have nothing in this, comma, enter. I am using this email ID to run on this email ID, right? This is what I am telling about this deployment things, which is I'm telling about this deployment. Or you can use the same version. You can use the same version and deploy. But you can use this one or you can this one. Okay. Okay. So we have created this bulk mailer, right? Now, whether it is not because it is not coming from this place now, so I'm using it, I'm deleting it, but I'm creating a menu over here. See, if I want to create a menu in this spreadsheet, it is a standalone script and this script. So I have to use this. I have to use a script in this spreadsheet. So go to the extension and go to this script. This is a standalone script and this is not a standalone. It is linked with this script, this spreadsheet. Okay, so let's start now. I'm renaming it send email, send mailer, whatever you want. No issue. Uh, See the menu. Look at this menu. Just click on this. Look at this menu. Send mailer. It will automatically generated when the spreadsheet will load. So we have a special function on for this. Special function is on open. So I will use on open function over here. When the spreadsheet is loaded, we will set as UI user interface for this spreadsheet. Go for the spreadsheet, then get UI. UI means user interface. I'm getting the user interface, the entire interface of this spreadsheet. I will get this by this way, right? Now I have to create a menu. So first of all, I have to create a menu. Just go to create a menu. I'm not creating the add-on menu, so I'm just creating a menu, and the name of this menu is mailer by Alan, right? Mailer by Alan. Now I have to add the items in this. Obviously, see, if you have an mailer, then you have an item over here. So what item you need? So there should be two option for this. Add items. Look at this caption and function. Caption and function. This is the caption. It will show and the function will run when you click on this add item. Click add items function send image, and the function we need to run. I will create a new function over here. So first function send whatever you want is or pop up pop up model, right? So I just copy and paste it here. Look at this similar. Now I don't want any ID separator. The separator means it will give me a line separate line for this, and then add this to UI. Add it to UI on this one, right? Now alert whether it is coming or not. Let's see. When you refresh it, script will automatically closed and the menu will has to be created over here. I got this mail. Now click on this running script. A script function alert. Alert is not a function. It is because it is a Google script and I have mentioned the function of HTML code. So dismiss it, but it is running perfectly. So where is my script file? I'll go to extension, come to this script. I have to create a model. When I click on this, when I click on this, there should be a model like this one. When I click on this, go to this, there should be a model like this one, right? This is the model. I have to create this model, right? So first of all, I have to create this model. We need to send check this. Hmm. Okay. First of all, we have to create a model over here. So function will be with the same function we will use it. So for creating a model, you need some HTML code also, like this way or whatever you want. So create a HTML file over here. First of all, HTML. So write it model HTML. This is the base HTML is automatically come up. Now I have to create an style. I have to create a model. First of all, create a model first. No need to go for HTML directly. Just create a model first, right? So first of all, you need to get spreadsheet, then get UI, go. Now show model dialog. Show model less, sorry, show model less dialog. Show model less dialog, right? Then comes to there is will be a lot of things in this HTML. So I'm copying it, pasting it here, double quote. It is a string form. The function will run, but it will not count this function. So I need a object over here. So create an object. In this object, I have to send HTML code, right? So now I need HTML code. So first of all, we have to worry about UI, HTML UI, HTML model UI. For special function HTML service, then create template form model file. This is the file name. The file name which I mentioned over here has to be same over here. Has to be mentioned same over here. C, right? Now what what code I need is we need a tag. We need a tag, or you can write the HTML code directly in between this. There is no problem. What you want? Let's do in a both way. Go to this one. Put a tag here. A tag here. What is a tag? A tag is like this way, right? Things you have to use it. Send send in created by Alan mailer created by, but we have to link this a tag with src, same like earlier, right? So we have some scriptlet over here. So I'm using scriptlet So src, not src, just href, right? Href we have to now scriptlet. I'm using a scriptlet here, then this and this one. I use the scriptlet over here. So then there is a URL here, right? And now look at this function UI dot evaluate. Sorry, HTML model UI dot evaluate. Close this function. Now run this and just refresh it. This one, click on this and the model. Oh, authorization required. Script attached to this document need a permission to run. Okay, click on this first time. Run. Advance. Allow. Look at this. Single not found function palm model and this much. You have to put code here. Refresh it again. Menu will be created. URL is not defined. Okay, we have now we have sent a URL over there. For this URL, no? Just put it blank. Just go click and save. Run it. The parameters are put it doesn't make the method signature. Okay. Model. Then set xframe. Then again HTML services. Then xframe. Then allow, comma. Then sandbox. Then right HTML services. Then sandbox dot iframe. Fresh. Output did not match the method signature detail. Okay, we have forget to send the this one. We have created this function, right? The entire thing which is created from this place to this place is stand for this object. Now I forget this one. So uh, design and develop. Uh, let's see whether still there is an error or what. No, this time it is not. We do not have any error. Now we got the look at this mailer created by Alan, right? But I have not hyperlink any URL on this, so it will not show anything. When you click on this, nothing happened, right? The URL which is linked with this href here, will, this is the deployment URL. We will get this URL from this place. Version 1, copy this one, but not every time. See, not every time I will get this URL, or I will just copy and paste it here. Just paste it here, right? Because sometime I will change this URL as a user session, so I will put it this URL in a script type over here. Look at this. So first I will just removing it back and checking it. So first of all I'm checking for the check. I will just click on this, click. Okay, it is clicking, but nothing will happen because it is not going over here. Why? Remember, I have forget to target it. Target underscore blank. That means when I click on this, it will open a new tab, new Chrome tab. Look at this. Script completed but not using anything, but the mail has gone or not. This is very important. Mail has gone. Yes, perfect. Mail gone. Now I will improve it. I will improve it. Mailer sent successfully. Do get function. Yeah. Look at this. First of all, I will just put the okay. This one. I don't want this. The thing. Okay. And I will improve this model because showing me at a like this one. Mail. I want this as a button with the same thing I need, which is I have used in master, where I have used this way. Go to extension, scope on the script, and go to style tag. Look at this. So style, style, put it here. Look it, take it, and it's for a tag. Right now, check again. No. not coming. Let's refresh it. No. So I'm just copying and pasting from here. This is our style tag. Look at this. A link visited and all the things. Inline display. Oh, sorry, forgot to display. Now click on this function. Yeah, we got the mails. Right. This looks nice. Okay. Now I have not sent it anything. Just click on this. Script completed, but the mail has gone. So, right. Now I have to check the confirmation. Right? We need a confirmation from this script. So create an HTML form tag here. Insert the HTML. Now I'm putting in a very sharp way. So see, it is an HTML. So we need some this one bootstrap and JS deliver, jQuery and JS deliver and sweet alerts. Right. So we need these links. I will share you these links also. Right. Now you can copy this link with this site, sweet alert site. Sweet alert. Go to this alert and copy everything. Installation, go to installation and go to this script. First of all, this script you need. Then you need another things like links, this one, and about that, this one, the jQuery, and this is bootstraps. Okay. Now I will use the script tag. So that I show no script. Where is the script? Okay, the script. JS deliver script. I need this script tag also in my project. Just paste it here. Right. It is sweet alert. Now I can write a sweet alert confirmation from this way. So SWL swell sweet alert dot fire, then object, sorry, then this one. Now I want to write the heading of that thing. So same thing, I'm copy and pasting it here. Look at this. Right now this is my HTML page. I want this HTML page as a confirmation of the mail sent. So return, I just removing it as like HTML services dot create template from file. This is the file HTML dot evaluate dot set xframe and HTML services, then xframe that allow all dot send setbox HTML services dot sandbox mode dot iframe. Now I have linked this and now deploying it another. and I'm using the different deployment. Mm, okay, second version deployed. Now copy it. This time my code is changed, my URL has been changed, so I have to go at it over here and change this one. Right? Save it. Now send this mail. Go. This is I will get the confirmation from of sending the mail. So utility is made by the database. Okay. It is coming like this way. It is HTML format. Mail has been gone, that is okay, but it is not working properly. Okay, let me check. HTML, update return, RETUR. Frame, that is okay. Oh, I forgot. My mistake. I have typed this function without script tag. We need to use the script tag. Then put this function as this one. Then deploy again. 3 version. Deploy. Copy. Paste. Go to this as well. Remove it and link with this email. Right? Now click on this. We will get this wait alert. Mail sent and we got this. Right? We got a nice wait alert. But not every time when I deploy this and change this one. So I have to use the variable in this so that I can fetch this URL from this place. Right? Okay. See, I don't want it again and again, right? So go variable script URL dot spreadsheet dot get sheet by name dot open by URL down get sheet by name control, then get range is it E2, then get value. Now I got the script URL. I have to pass this URL to this HTML page. Right? So we are writing here and writing is URL. No. SURL. This is a variable dot HTML not s underscore SURL script URL is equals to this one. This is a script URL. It will get this value and this value will pass on to this URL and this has to be passed on this place. Now I'm removing it. I'm using a scriptlet over here. URL question mark. That's all. Finish. Every time I don't now I don't need to change every time on this place. I have get I will just put over here, copy and paste over here. It will automatically take it on this HTML code. And what I will automatically changed. Authorize permission. Hmm. Come to this place advanced. Now run here. What is this? Click this. Uh, what a kind of authorization required here. Hmm. Mailer is not coming up. What is the issue? Allow. You can allow from this place also. Now refresh it. Come on. So the mistake is that we have created is a global variable, but we don't want this as a global variable. Just put it in this function and save it. Then you can refresh it. It will come to this place. We have put this URL from master script, deploy script, and this function has this script. The mailer is come up. This mailer come from this script. This mailer come from this script. You have to put this value a variable in this function, not a make. Do not make a global variable. Now click. Do not make. Click on this design. Get it like this one, and it will send a sweet mail, and the mail has been sent. And look at this. You want to change an image? Of course, you can change. Go to this any images you want to send. Change the image. Which image we have? This one. Load the image. Right click, share, get the link. Accessing anyone. Viewer is select a viewer is okay. Copy the link. Done. This is here this. Paste it here. Go to this place to this place. Cut. Leave it. Paste this here. Now click on this. It will change the URL image at this. The image has been changed. Got it? So it is very feasible. It is very feasible because you just change in this box. You need to change it in this box. The mail body will change, entire mail body will change, and you change this image ID, the image is also changed, right? It is very good, right? Or you can, if you want to center a line on this, to put it here as a center, type center, right? Or you can write more mobile numbers also, so put it here tag. So mobile number is 999888833, right? And Windows plus dot, you got this here, just put it, run, look at this. We got this in the center, right? Because the record is left over there, so put the records is also in this. Cut this and paste it here. Now this will come up. So this is all from my side for last. Just run it. I got the exact, right? It is in center. For this, you can use Windows plus dot for emojis, right? That's all from my end. I will tell you later on how to use HTML code as a mail body. We are getting a HTML image as a HTML mail, HTML mail body. We have created. This is